Need a business loan? Let's look at Dealstruck. Dealstruck provides tailored financing for small and medium-sized businesses. They offer term loans, lines of credit, and invoice financing, usually from $25,000 to $500,000, with terms up to 4 years. Whether it's inventory, equipment, or expansion, Dealstruck can help you reach your goals. The application process is simple, with decisions typically within 48 hours and quick funding. Dealstruck customizes financing based on your cash flow, revenue, and credit history, making them a great option even if traditional banks say no. They offer transparent fees and repayment terms, clearly outlining interest rates and total costs. Choose the loan type that works best for you, whether it's a line of credit or a term loan. Dealstruck is best for established businesses with stable finances, not startups. Interest rates are competitive but depend on your creditworthiness. Dealstruck offers flexible, transparent financing tailored to your needs. Check the links below to explore Dealstruck and see if it's right for your business. This review should help you decide if Dealstruck can meet your funding needs.